Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a picture to your document on the Adobe Fresco application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, select a document from either your home page, from the recent section, or from the files, and then click on the document. After it is loaded in, you should tap on the or go to this left side column of the screen, scroll down till you find this picture icon and tap on it. You can either take a picture or select one from your photos, so tap on the photos button and select a picture from your gallery. As you can see, the image is being loaded. Here you can transform it if you would like to. You have a bunch of transform actions. You can flip it vertically, horizontally. You can select its size by dragging one of the corners of the picture, and you can transform it like this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.